Welcome back to our channel, the Geospatial Explorer. In today's video, we are going to see about how to display a query result on a map. Actually, our subscriber commented on the video querying a feature layer. So I'm going to show how to we can show the result on the map. Okay. Let's go back to our application. This is our application. So in this application, so whenever we enter a, a district name, it will give the result like that district in which state. Okay, so here it is getting the result of Agra. So we need to highlight that feature here, like we can show the district Agra on the map. Okay, this is our goal of this video. So let's go back to the code. So this is our query feature layer function. In that function uh, uh, we are querying here like query dot where and district name like Agra, or whenever you pass a district or different district name, that result will shown on the uh, result info ID. Okay, so now here we are getting the features. Okay, so these features we just we can just add these result features to our view so that it will be visible on the map. Okay, so just I'm adding here. Okay, we can find out the way. Actually, I think we need to create a graphic for this. Then that graphic we need to add on a map. Okay, let's go up to our code. Here in this code I'm created a point graphic. Here we this is polygon data, polygon graphic, new graphic. uh, Instead of geometry we need geometry information, so let's check where we are getting the geometry. Okay, okay, features, here geometry. Okay, features 0 uh, dot geometry we are getting. Oh. Okay, so now we will add this graphic into view, so that that polygon graphic will be visible on the map. Let's check. Just commented this one. Features not defined. Sorry. Here, feature. Here loop, what we are doing, feature dot geometry. Sorry guys, I'm just see, it's highlighted. So you can define the symbol for that point graphic, so that that color will be visible. So I'm just changing other state. Okay, Chennai. Chennai is not highlighted. Or maybe that spelling will be in different name. Okay, I think these are the district name. It should highlight Madurai. Yeah, so Madurai is working. Then Coimbatore. Yeah. So see how that results are added on the map. Okay. So you have to get that feature geometry. Then you can add you can create a polygon graphic with that feature geometry. Then you can add to the map. This is how you can display the result on a map. So if you want, you can add Symbology to this polygon graphic, so that that color will be changed. Okay, just I will do that. We can use this method uh, to show our result to particular. We can use this method to zoom into our result, like here. We can use this. Okay. That Symbology I will set. Okay. Okay, we need to define that symbol. Okay, go to our documentation, just check on API reference. We need to add this symbol to our model. If you use feature layer and all, we don't need to load these models. It will autocast. So autocast means automatically it will load the models for layers. Okay, just remove this guy. This is the problem. Okay, I just query this. Let's check. Yeah, now that layer was highlighted on the map, and it will zoom to that particular layer. This is how you can show the query result on the map. Please subscribe the Geospatial Explorer channel for more videos on the Esri product. Please support, please share with your friends. Thank you.